We had 2 3/4 inches of rain last night. So now the girls have a little lake in their chicken yard. Good for scratching and finding worms. We're getting a little break from the rain right now. Scratching it up pretty good back there. You can hear the ducks in the background. They're still in their pen. And their pen is next to the chickens' chicken yard. So we haven't let the ducks out yet. Normally we let them out in the morning to go to the pond, but we haven't let them out yet. I think they have a little lake in their yard too. Anyway, hope you have a good day. Enjoy the rain. It's good for our flowers in our gardens.